Did you know that by 2022, AI was already driving 80% of all cryptocurrency trades? Yes, you heard it right. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in a multitude of industries, and it's no surprise that it has found its way into the world of cryptocurrency. This might be a shocking statistic to some, but to those who've been keeping their finger on the pulse of the crypto world, it's just another demonstration of the transformative power of AI. So, what exactly is AI? Simply put, it's a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. But it's not just about creating robots that can converse like us or play chess. It's about creating systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. And these capabilities are particularly useful when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're wondering how AI has managed to corner such a large chunk of the crypto trading market, let's break it down. Cryptocurrency trading involves analyzing vast amounts of data to predict market trends. It's a task that requires precision, speed, and the ability to make sense of complex patterns. And guess what? These are all areas where AI excels. AI algorithms can scan and analyze market data at lightning speed, far outpacing any human trader. They can spot trends and patterns that would be easy to miss for even the most experienced human eye. And perhaps most importantly, they can make lightning-fast decisions, buying or selling cryptocurrencies at the optimum moment to maximize profits. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. AI has also brought a level of sophistication to cryptocurrency trading that was previously unheard of. It can predict market trends, devise complex trading strategies, and even learn from its mistakes, constantly adapting and improving its performance. So you see, AI has already carved out a significant role in the cryptocurrency world. But how does it work? Stay tuned to find out. To better understand the AI-crypto relationship, we have insights from some of the leading minds in the field. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in various industries, and cryptocurrency is no exception. To delve into this intriguing intersection, we've gathered perspectives from experts in both the AI and crypto arenas. First, let's hear from Dr. Jane Simmons, a renowned AI researcher. She explains, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach cryptocurrency trading. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speeds. This enables them to predict market trends and make trading decisions with a level of accuracy that humans simply can't match. But remember, AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It can enhance our capabilities, but it can't entirely eliminate the risk inherent in trading. Next, we have Mr. Leo Reynolds, a seasoned cryptocurrency trader. He shares, in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, AI can be a game changer. It can help us sift through the noise and identify the best trading opportunities. I've seen it make a real difference in my trading strategy. However, it's crucial to understand that AI doesn't replace the need for a sound trading plan and a deep understanding of the market. We also spoke to Ms. Carla Martinez, a blockchain developer. She tells us, blockchain and AI are two of the most transformative technologies of our time. When combined, they can create secure, efficient, and transparent trading systems. AI can also play a significant role in detecting and preventing fraudulent transactions, a common concern in the crypto world. Dr. Rajiv Gupta, a leading figure in fintech, brings another angle. He says, AI and cryptocurrencies are shaping the future of finance together. AI's ability to automate and optimize processes is particularly valuable in crypto trading, where speed and accuracy are paramount. But we must also consider the ethical and regulatory implications of integrating AI into financial systems. And finally, Professor Linda Chung, a distinguished economist, adds, the AI-crypto relationship is an exciting area of study. It's not just about improving trading strategies, it's about how these technologies can disrupt and reshape our economic systems. But, as with any disruptive technology, they come with challenges and potential risks. We must ensure they're used responsibly and inclusively. As our experts have mentioned, the AI-crypto relationship is more than just a passing trend. It is a dynamic, evolving landscape. It presents opportunities for increased efficiency and precision in trading, but also challenges in terms of ethics and regulation. The future of this relationship will undoubtedly be fascinating to watch, and we'll be here to guide you through every step of this exciting journey. Now that we've heard from the experts, let's delve into the mechanics of AI in crypto trading. Cryptocurrency trading and artificial intelligence are two complex fields, but when they come together, they create a fascinating synergy. So how does it all work? Let's break it down. At the heart of this synergy are algorithms. Simply put, an algorithm is a set of rules or instructions to be followed in calculations or problem-solving operations. In the context of cryptocurrency, trading algorithms are designed to make automatic trades based on a variety of factors such as price, timing, and volume. These algorithms are constantly evolving, learning from past data to make more accurate predictions and trades in the future. This learning is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the use of statistical techniques to enable machines to improve at tasks with experience. In crypto trading, machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends. They learn from historical data to predict future price movements, making automatic trades based on these predictions. For instance, if a machine learning algorithm identifies a pattern where the price of a certain cryptocurrency tends to rise after a specific sequence of events, it can use this knowledge to predict and act on future price rises. It's like having a crystal ball that gets better and better at predicting the future the more it sees. But it's not just about predicting price movements. AI can also be used to predict market sentiment. By analyzing social media posts, news articles, and other online content, AI can gauge public sentiment towards different cryptocurrencies. This information can then be used to make informed trading decisions. Now let's talk about predictive modeling. Predictive modeling uses statistics to predict outcomes. In the world of cryptocurrency, predictive models can be used to forecast future price movements based on historical data and a variety of other factors. Predictive models can help traders make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. But remember, while AI can help make more informed trading decisions, it's not infallible. The world of cryptocurrency is highly volatile and unpredictable. Even the most sophisticated AI can't predict the future with 100% certainty. So why bother with AI in cryptocurrency trading at all? Well, it's simple. AI can process and analyze data at a speed and scale that humans simply can't match. It can spot patterns and trends in the data that might be missed by human traders. And it can make trades in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Clearly, the integration of AI into cryptocurrency isn't just a fad, it's a revolution. Like any technological advancement, AI in cryptocurrency comes with its own set of pros and cons. Let's embark on a journey to explore the two sides of this digital coin. On one side, we have the advantages of AI in cryptocurrency, which are as compelling as they are transformative. Firstly, there's the matter of efficiency. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data at speeds that leave us humans in the dust. In the world of cryptocurrency, where market trends can shift in the blink of an eye, this rapid data processing ability is invaluable. AI can analyze market trends, predict price fluctuations, and execute trades faster than any human ever could. Then there's the advantage of accuracy. AI isn't susceptible to the emotional biases that often cloud human judgment. Fear, greed, or simple exhaustion can lead even the most experienced traders to make poor decisions. But AI, with its emotionless logic, can make calculated decisions based on data, not feelings. AI also brings the benefit of scalability to the cryptocurrency market. Automated trading systems can manage multiple accounts at once, conduct numerous transactions simultaneously, and operate round the clock. This is a feat that would be impossible for a human trader to achieve single-handedly. Now, let's flip the coin and look at the potential disadvantages or risks associated with AI in cryptocurrency. Transparency, or rather the lack of it, is a significant concern. AI algorithms are often described as black boxes. They take in data, process it, and spit out results, but the internal workings remain a mystery, even to their creators. This lack of transparency can lead to mistrust and uncertainty, especially in a market as volatile as cryptocurrency. Next, there's the issue of security. While AI systems can be incredibly secure, they are not immune to cyber attacks. Cryptocurrencies, with their digital nature and high value, are a tempting target for hackers. A successful attack on an AI trading system could lead to substantial financial losses. Moreover, the reliance on AI could potentially lead to market manipulation. Sophisticated AI systems could be used by unscrupulous individuals to artificially inflate or deflate cryptocurrency prices, leading to an unfair market. And lastly, there's the human element. While AI can analyze data, make predictions, and execute trades, it lacks the human touch. It doesn't understand context, cannot interpret nuanced signals, and most importantly, it doesn't have a gut feeling. In a market as unpredictable as cryptocurrency, sometimes that gut feeling can make all the difference. Despite these potential pitfalls, it's important to remember that technology, including AI, is simply a tool. It's how we use it that determines its impact. And as with all tools, there's always room for improvement. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect these systems to become more transparent, more secure, and more sophisticated. And as we learn to harness the power of AI more effectively, the potential for AI to revolutionize the world of cryptocurrency becomes more and more evident. Indeed, the marriage of AI and cryptocurrency might not be without its bumps and hurdles. But as we've seen time and again, the most groundbreaking innovations often come with their fair share of challenges. Despite the challenges, the potential of AI and cryptocurrency is undeniable. So, what does the future hold for AI and cryptocurrency? Let's explore. The world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and with the integration of artificial intelligence, it's poised to take an even more significant leap forward. As we gaze into the crystal ball of possibilities, there are a few predictions we can make about the future of AI and cryptocurrency. Firstly, we can anticipate the development of more advanced algorithms. These algorithms will not only be able to analyze the market trends more accurately, but they could also potentially predict the future trends. Imagine having a digital oracle at your fingertips, guiding your every crypto investment decision. That's the power of AI we're talking about. Moreover, these advanced algorithms could enable the creation of self-adapting trading bots. These bots would not just follow a set pattern, but learn and adapt from market changes, making them more accurate and efficient. The future of trading could be a blend of human intuition and machine intelligence, working in harmony to maximize profits. Next, let's discuss security measures. As cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream, it also becomes a more attractive target for cyber threats. However, the future of AI could help fortify the defenses of the crypto world. AI could be used to enhance security protocols, making them more dynamic and harder to breach. AI could detect anomalies and potential threats in real time, ensuring that your digital assets are safe and secure. In addition, AI could also provide solutions to some of the biggest challenges facing cryptocurrency, like scalability and energy consumption. For instance, AI algorithms could optimize blockchain processes, making them more efficient and less energy-intensive. This could make cryptocurrency more sustainable, expanding its appeal to a broader audience. Lastly, the future could see an increased adoption of AI in crypto trading. As people become more comfortable with AI and its benefits, we could see more individuals and businesses integrating AI into their trading strategies. This could democratize access to sophisticated trading tools, leveling the playing field for all investors. However, as with all predictions, these are based on current trends and understanding. The true future of AI and cryptocurrency could be even more exciting and unimaginable. After all, this is a world where innovation and disruption are the norm. In conclusion, the future of AI and cryptocurrency looks bright. With more advanced algorithms, improved security measures, and increased adoption, we could see a new era of crypto trading on the horizon, an era where humans and machines collaborate, where security is robust and dynamic, and where everyone has access to sophisticated trading tools. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: AI will continue to shape the cryptocurrency landscape in ways we can't even imagine. The world of AI and cryptocurrency is vast and constantly evolving. It's an exhilarating journey filled with twists and turns, peaks and valleys. It's like diving into a sea of knowledge, where every drop of information contributes to a larger understanding. And you, my friend, are in the perfect place to keep exploring that vast ocean of knowledge. The thirst for knowledge is a thirst that should never be quenched, especially when it comes to something as dynamic and transformative as AI and cryptocurrency. So, where do you go from here? How do you continue to feed this thirst? Well, the good news is, there are multiple avenues for you to explore. There are countless books written by experts in the field, such as The Age of Cryptocurrency by Paul Vigna and Michael J. Casey, or Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by Max Tegmark. These books offer insightful perspectives and deep dives into the world of AI and cryptocurrency. In addition to books, Online platforms offer a plethora of courses that can help you gain a more comprehensive understanding. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and edX host classes taught by experts from the world's top universities and leading tech companies. And let's not forget the myriad of websites and forums where enthusiasts and experts alike share their knowledge and insights. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and AI Trends are just a few examples of the resources available at your fingertips. Remember, in the world of AI and cryptocurrency, the learning never stops. It's a continuous journey of discovery, innovation, and growth. There's always something new to learn, a new development to understand, a new theory to ponder. The journey into AI and cryptocurrency is an exciting one. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows? You might just become the next crypto wizard. So embrace the thrill of the unknown, the delight of discovery, and the satisfaction of knowledge gained.
Remember, together we can explore the power of AI and shape a better future. We're standing on the brink of a technological revolution, and we invite you to join us as we step into the future. So don't forget to subscribe and join us on this exciting journey. Be a part of the conversation, share your thoughts, and let's shape the future of AI together.